Morning, dear hearts. We are at lesson 20, and the lesson is I am determined to see. And please subscribe if you have not yet done so. So today's lesson is actually sort of a beginning of a shift because it's telling us that, it's been pretty casual right now up until this lesson. Haven't really been told have to do this or really given a lot of structure, haven't been instructed or suggesting how often really to do the lessons or to do them 3 or 4 times, but not necessarily when, totally up to you. More structure is being given to us today, and it's the idea that we are actually to repeat this idea every hour, at least twice, suggested on the hour and the half hour, and to realize that this lesson, I am determined to see. It's really, we're coming into a declaration here. We're making a commitment. I am determined, determination, commitment. I do want to see. Up until now, the lessons have been guiding us in instructing us of what we have been doing up until now that has not been helpful. This lesson tells us that, you want to be happy, you want peace, you want salvation, which I always suggest that freedom is another word for salvation, because it is. You want these things. And we've been led up into this moment, telling us why we don't really have them. We're not really experiencing freedom and peace and happiness because we have allowed our ego mind to be the one in charge. So our mind, our thoughts have been contaminated by what the ego wants. And everything that the ego wants, as we've been told here, is based on really no foundation. It's all smoke and mirrors, it's shadows. There's nothing solid and true and real about what the ego does and offers us. And we've been told, about meaningless thoughts and seeing I don't see anything neutral, I don't have any idle thoughts. My thoughts have been determining what I see, and none of this is what God has wanted for us, because God did not create a meaningless world. A favorite. So now we have the opportunity to say, yeah, I get that. A case has been established in reasoning up until now. So now I get to make a decision. And my decision is, I am determined to see. I do want this. And the lesson says so beautifully that your decision to see is all that vision requires. And we will be instructed later, it will unfold for us the difference between seeing and vision, because there's a definite shift there. They are not the same. So as we make this determination, we make this commitment, I am determined to see, that is all that is truly needed, just our decision. As the Course so eloquently tells us so very many times, it's a little willingness. And so this lesson is offering us that chance to have a little willingness. And our little willingness is going to be reinforced by how often we actually remember to repeat, I am determined to see on the hour and the half hour. The more that we do that, the more that we know that we truly are willing now to have this shift in awareness and this shift in our thought system. This is what will happen. The lesson ends with, what you desire you will see. Such is the real law of cause and effect as it operates in the world. So what we desire, our willingness, if I am willing that I want to see peace, I want freedom, I want happiness, my desire to see that will really determine that, yes, I am ready to see, I'm determined to see, and all of that will unfold for me simply because I have a little willingness. So that is it for today. I hope this helped. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Forgot to share yesterday. Please comment, and please be here tomorrow when this lesson is reinforced for us again. Namaste.